Hello class, how are you? This is teacher Carol. Today we are going to study family celebrations. How do you celebrate different holidays with your family? Let's begin. We celebrate and we add one holiday or a special day in a month, and then we add the activities that we do together. For example, we celebrate and we are going to choose one holiday. Let's say that we are going to choose Mother's Day. Then we are going to select the month, August. Okay, so we go back to the sentence frame and we say, we celebrate Mother's Day in August. After that, we are going to select the activities that we do together in Mother's Day. For example, we are going to use the ones that we studied last week, such as we go fishing, we have dinner, we play games together, etc. Let's see an example. We celebrate my birthday in April. We play games together and we have dinner. Another example is, we celebrate Christmas in December. We eat tamales and we go to church. Okay? Now, how do you celebrate with your family? Tell me about it. Remember, you have to select one holiday, the month in which you celebrate that special day, and two activities. Let's do it.